Hello, folks. Thank you for joining me today. Today, I have something new that I'm introducing to my audience. It's something I am learning and I'm building alongside with, and this is what I call AI security engineering and architecture. Now, in this particular series, I want to look at AI security from angle of software and product development or delivery. Okay, and after combing through a lot of resources online and look at what people are doing with AI right now, what really needs to be learned as a security engineer and architect. So I've come up with 8 domains or 8 modules through which one can see the very thing that needs to be learned and that can be built around when it comes to security engineering and architectural pipelines or workflows in software delivery. Once again, my name is John K. So let's dive into this. This video is just to set the stage, make sure that you know what I am about to do here. So the 8 domains that I'm introducing now, it start with the foundations. So here we learn about the foundations and basics of AI and ML security practices and principles around that. The second domain, I will take us to what I call AI systems engineering. Under that place, we'll look more into LLM applications, we look into RAG and agent. Then the third domain, it's centered around platform security. Here we'll do more hands-on around ML security operations, infrastructure security. We will look into those security best practices and toolings and processes that a security engineer should take into account when managing such workload. Then the fourth domain is threat modeling. Here I will work on attack surface analysis, risk identification, and adversary modeling. On the fifth domain is red teaming. Here I will do adversarial testing, we do security validation and some other stuffs. Then on the sixth domain is AI defense engineering. This is where I will be talking about guardrails, detection and prevention, secure AI architecture. Then on the seventh domain it centers on security operation of AI systems, and there we'll look at monitoring. I will look into incident response, threat detection and hunting. Then the last but not the least is governance and risk. Here I will take a very critical look at AI governance and assurance, policy, compliance, and risk management. So folks, this is what I'm working on. I'm building it out. It's going to be more of hands-on, not fluffy. It's going to be more of hands-on. So it's going to be lab oriented. It's something that you can take and you can build on it. And thank you again for joining me.